Hello guys, today in this video I will tell you a simple method to download Facebook videos very easily. First of all, go to your Play Store app. After going to Play Store, you have to search FB Downloader. FB Downloader. After that, then click on this fast video downloader for Facebook and then install it. I have already installed it, so I will open up. So we will skip this. So here you will see this box. In this box you have to log in to your Facebook account, and you also have an option for URL where you can put your video URL and download. And but many times some videos have a privacy, means they are not public, so you can't download that videos, but mostly you can download. So now I will show you a video practically downloading. So here is a video of a panda. We will try to download it. Click on three dots and click on copy link, and then we will go to our app Fastfeed, and here we will click on paste. After you click on paste, it will start loading that video, and you will see the option to download, and then it will say like how will you download it, like download in standard quality, watch, or download HD. We will click on download SD, and after closing this ad, you will see here it's downloading. So in the notification you can see it's downloading. Here our downloading is start. It says 36 seconds left. So that's it. This is our tutorial. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks.